Okay, so this was a test that we noticed is recently happening in over the last couple of months. Sorry, over the last couple of days, and Facebook is testing this out across their notifications. So you might spot one of these coming up, which is a sponsored notification. This is available, as I said, in Facebook only at the moment, but could well come to other Meta platforms. It is a test, so it's not something that we think is necessarily going to stick around, but it's an ad notification. So users will see these ads labeled as sponsored alongside their usual notifications. And these ads will be targeted based on past engagement with ads and content. So, this is another way for advertisers and marketers like ourselves to get noticed, to get traction, grab attention, and prompt consideration. But as a user, it might feel slightly invasive. It's like seeing those ads in your messenger as well, in your inbox. It might feel just a little bit crowded. So it's something that they're obviously going to test and see what kind of response they have. We ran a poll on our Instagram yesterday, and all of the respondents on the poll said that they didn't like this update, even marketers. So interesting to see whether this one will become a main feature of Meta ads. While we're talking about Meta ads, this one's hot off the press. It was only announced yesterday evening that after months of testing, Threads is now being launched to advertisers worldwide. So you'll be able to include Threads as a placement in your advertising campaigns. If you are using Advantage Plus, it will be on by default, or you can select it via manual placements. We checked this morning and it wasn't in any of our ad accounts. So it does look like it's going to be rolling out in selected markets. So you can see at the bottom there, it does say this will be rolled out as we continue to test and learn. But now Threads has over 320 million monthly active users. They feel that it is now a place where they can successfully run ads. So we'll begin to see how that's looking and we'll report back in due course.